Hey, what's up guys? This is Shaun and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel. Okay, let's learn together. Today I want to talk about CapCut video editing. Yes. In this tutorial we will learn how can we use CapCut and we will discuss the basic things of CapCut video editing software. So it's very important for beginner who is really want to learn how to edit video using CapCut video editing software. Okay, so finally let's get started. First of all, go to Google and search download CapCut for PC. So this tutorial for PC version. Okay, after that you will see the interface, these kinds of things. So download. So just go to the CapCut video editor, and after that you will see the interface, a download for Windows. Okay, and it will be downloaded. So I have already downloaded, so I want to skip. You have downloaded this. After that, just click the downloaded file and you will see the option for installation. This is very easy, just like other software. I hope you can easily do this. And after that you will see this kinds of interface. So I want to open my CapCut. So then you will see this kinds of interface and just click the new project and start your project. So I want to click new project. Then you will see the interface for CapCut video editing. Here a lot of option. So the first one is import. So you can easily import your videos, audios and photos. That is very cool. Just click here to import your file. So no problem. And I will teach you all the things, so no worry about this. And I want to introduce some basic things. Here is the media option, so you can easily import your file. Also you could use the option from the library, animation for text and other things. Here there is a lot of things for your video editing. And after that you will see the audio option. Here you will get the default audio from CapCut. So if you want, you can use all the things, and but you should check the copyright issue. Sometimes it happens. I have checked it already. So you should use copyright free music. So you can search on Google. Also you can use YouTube audio library. Okay, so after that the option is text. So here is the text, so you can use some text from here, from the plus icon. Also you can use some text template. There is a lot of template here. This is very cool, I think. So I have used already. And after that you will see the title, blog, everything's outro, intro, and that is cool, I think, for text. Okay, after that you will see the sticker. So if you want to use you just click here and see the output here, and lot of things here. So I think if you want to create your YouTube video or other things, CapCut is very perfect software or good software for you, I think. So you can try CapCut. Okay, after that you will see the effects. So here is a lot of effects for your videos, photos and other things. And finally you will see the transaction. Also see the filter and adjustment. Okay, so we want to start from basic. So we want to click local, or you will see these kinds of interface. So I want to import video. So I want to go the video option. Yes, okay. So here is 3 videos and 2 audios. So I want to upload 3 videos here. You will see the videos here. So before you add this video on your timeline, you can play from here and you will see this. And I want to see here, so I want to add this one first. So I want to click the plus icon, or I want to click and drag here. So there is two way to add your videos. So I want to click the plus icon, then it's added. So I want to play it. Okay, that's cool. And I want to add other clip here, so I want to drag here and just put here. Okay, so this is the second one, and this is the timeline one, and it will this is long, I think. So if you want to shorts, you can minus here or plus here. So I want to minus, and this is the very basic things. So I want to play again, and it's going good. After that, I want to add some music, so I want to import again some audios. So I want to add this audio. Okay, as usual, you can click plus icon for add your clip or audio clip, or you can just drag here. So I want to drag here, it will be below for the video, so no problem. And this right here, you just see, this is the ending part of this video. So I want to cut here, just click the audio clip, or where you want to cut, just click there. After that, you will see the split option. Also, if you are a Windows user, you can click Ctrl plus B. This is shortcut. So I want to click here, and I want to delete here from my keyboard, and so I want to play again. Okay, that's cool. So I want to play again. Okay, that's cool. If you want, we can use some text for the beginning. So I want to start text. So I want to use title. So here is the lot of title here, so I want to use this one. Okay, I want to use this one. After that, you will if you want to edit this text, just click here, and you will see the text here. So I want to rename it capcut. The next one is here. So I want to click here, video editing. Okay, that is cool. So if you want to add this text for start to some little bit fast, or this area cover this from here to this area, you just click here and just drag right. I think it will be increase. So I want to just put here, and I want to play again. Yes, it's keep going good. And also I want to use some transaction here. So I want to cut this video here. So from this clip to this clip, I want to use some transaction here, right here. Okay, so I want to go transaction, and I want to use here. Okay, so I want to play again, and this area I will see the transaction. Yes, I will see the transaction. That's cool. Also, I want to use the transaction again from here. So I want to split, then I want to use the another transaction, this one. Okay, so I want to check here. Okay, so I want to use here for the last end of the videos. So I want to check it out. Okay, so this video is ready for rendering. So we want to use the export option, and then we want to just click the export button. You can rearrange or reselect or change the resolution here. So I want to put this one, and I want to export. After that, you should wait for a few second, minute, or sometime. It depends on how long your videos. So it's done, and finally you will get this interface. So open folder, and I want to play this video. Hi, it's perfect, and I think this is good, and this is a very basic tutorial for all the guys, and I hope that this video is very helpful for you, for the beginner. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel, and if you want, you can share this video with your friends for to inspire me to create new videos for you. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you soon. Bye.